Hey, how is everyone doing today? Today is March 20th. We are about 2 hours into the trading session. So what am I looking at today? So I'm still in this banking sector in the KRE, and I'm trading stocks in the regional banks. So first thing we're going to see is we're going to see this KRE right here. As I mentioned to you guys the other day, this area of 45, what was it, 45.50 more or less, is a significant area. Okay, that was on March 14th. We had a couple of trades on that breakthrough day, which was Thursday, if I recall, which showed us when the Qs went up and the KRE went up. And then we had the open on March 17th on Friday, right at that area again. Today we reached that area. Here we are, 45.50. That's resistance. We spoke about the fact that this is a downtrend so far for the KRE, and we are obviously you would be looking to short any downtrend on the KRE. Any resistance area is the area with the least amount of risk. So if you were to take a short again in 45.50, you were supposed to risk somewhere around 26 to 36 cents. That's your risk. Right away it came in. You were able to make somewhere around 70 cents, 50 cents, whatever you caught. And it happened again. Second time. We have a double top today so far. So far this trend is continuing, even though the KRE is up for the day. Because it's up for the day, I recommend you be careful, and you have a small sloping downward trend line if that breaks to the top side, because this is a bull flag. You should be going long if that breaks to the top side. Okay. Let's move on from here. We're going to look at NYCB. So NYCB, we had an upward sloping trend line. I'm going to get rid of the pre-market for you guys. Just ignore the pre-market for a second. The pre-market is the gray area. We're just going to look at the black area. And here we go. We had an upward sloping trend line, which got broken. The stock is up like, I don't know, 37%. To me, that's, a $9 stock. It's great. You short it, right at the break, more or less. This is, you have a resistance at the top of 936. So anything above 930, you're supposed to get out. 930 was the high of the day. So I'd give it even like, 13 cents top. And here we are, we're coming in, which is a good area. I'm trying to also show traders how you could, as beginner traders, how you can make money trading small lots. These are the best stocks. These small price stocks are the best stocks to learn how to trade on, because they don't move. Even if they move nicely, 50 cents, $1 for a stock that's $10, it's a 10% move every day. That's pretty good. But those are the stocks you want to learn how to trade on. Another stock that came into play was BPOP. So you could see, we spoke about this stock. We have a high here, okay, from March 15th. We have a significant last high. Boom, we hit that high today, almost to the T. You wouldn't have gotten stopped out even on a small stop loss, okay? Your high over here was 53.76, and your high today was 53.82. So you're looking like 6 cents. It's like a 16th. That's like nothing. That's your stop losses for such volatile stock on such volatile days should be around a quarter, which a little bit above a quarter today. So that's 27 cents. And look, lo and behold, where is the stock supporting? This is a place to take profit, right around here. This is where the stock, we had that gap down on March 17th. So this is probably where it's going to be looking for support. And I do see again a bull flag. So, you got to take these things into consideration. If it breaks, you should cover your short and look to go long on this stock. Another interesting stock today, DPST, same thing. High of March 17th, boom, stock came to the high of March 17th. Your high was 883. Today your high was 890. That's 7 cents, 7 cents. 6 cents is a 16th. So, that actually makes sense for you not to get stopped out. Same thing, I'll be looking for some kind of profit here. And if it goes up, if it breaks your downward sloping trend line, think about taking long. But you need that to happen in the KRE. KRE is your indicator. Okay, that's your indicator. Strong stock today. I'd be looking at this if we're going to go up. Strong stock today, PNC. Okay, but I got a downward sloping trend, upward sloping trend line. If it gets broken, I'm probably going to run away. Okay, so you want to buy as low as possible to this line. And you should have a breakout. It should go all the way up to like 131 or something like that. The stock came all the way on March 14th. It was 138. So these are the things I'm looking at right now. USB also looks very, very strong. WBS has a great bull flag also. So yeah, I'm talking to you about what the formations are, but you got to keep an eye on the KRE. All right, hope this helps. The Dow Jones, we are obviously... Let me show you this. This is interesting. This is the high that we had there. You remember we had a double top, one on March 14th and again on March 16th. We're trying to get there today on the Dow Jones. So, I wouldn't be surprised if we hit that. We're going to discuss what happens, but that to me is showing a significant upside. And look at the SPY. Very interesting what's going on in the SPY. You remember we had a double top in the SPY also, March 10th, March 14th. We broke that on Thursday. And again, we opened here on Friday, came all the way in. Boom, we are right here again. Okay, so this is a significant area where we're at. If the SPY goes up, then yeah, you should think about taking these bull flags. Because I got the same thing going on in the Qs. Okay, but if not, this is a resistance area. Okay, use the indicators right now to tell you what's going on in the market. The indicators are your SPY, your Qs, and so on. And you see this is what I'm seeing. It's some sort of formation that we got going on here, a little bit of a tunnel. If we break out of this formation on the Qs, that's another indication that we might be going up. Okay, and we're doing that right now. This is getting some sort of support, but let's see. It's at resistance, and now resistance should be turning into support, and that's happening as we speak. Okay, so if you're going to go long, just be careful. There's resistance right here, resistance right here. I would do it with caution. Okay, but we are up for the day, and that's why I'm thinking about maybe looking to buy these banks if things change. Obviously, if things are going to go down, I'm going to be looking to short the ones at resistance, stocks that are resistance. Okay, let's see what happens here. We'll meet up in a few hours. Have a great day. Good luck trading today.